Welcome. Today we're going to walk you through how to view the apps connected to your X account using the updated steps. Managing these connected apps is key to keeping your account secure and ensuring that only trusted applications have access. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top corner to open your profile menu. Next, look for and tap on Settings and Privacy. This will take you into the area where you can adjust all sorts of account settings. Within Settings, find and tap on Security and Account Access. This is where you can oversee the security features and manage access controls for your account. From here, tap on Apps and Sessions. This section shows all the applications and devices linked to your X account. Then, tap Connected Apps. You'll see a full list of every app that currently has access to your account. This view allows you to check which apps are connected, review the permissions you've given them, and decide if you want to revoke any that you no longer use or trust. If you see any suspicious apps or simply want to tidy up your connected applications, you can manage each one individually right from this list. By keeping an eye on your connected apps, you safeguard your account from unwanted access and maintain better control over your digital footprint on X. That's all it takes to view and manage your connected apps on X with the latest update. Thanks for joining me today.